Lose weight with cumin seeds. Cumin, also known as jeera, is a spice which is used in our dishes to enhance the taste. It has an earthy and warm flavor. But, do you know that it can also help you with weight loss? Yes, that's true. Cumin has the ability to speed up your weight loss process. Along with that, it also has many other health benefits, which is why it has been used in traditional medicine since so many years now. Studies show that consumption of cumin regularly has various types of benefits for the health. Want to know them? Keep watching. Benefits of jeera water for weight loss. 1. Low in calories. 1 teaspoon of cumin 2.1 grams has 8 calories. 2. Hence, having a glass of jeera water 1 teaspoon of jeera powder does not add extra calories. 2. Boosts metabolism. Cumin water or jeera water helps boost metabolism. It is loaded with vitamins and minerals that act as cofactors for various metabolic reactions. 3. Improves digestion. Cumin or jeera water improves digestion by accelerating the functions of digestive enzymes. Improved digestion results in improved resting metabolic rate, leading to weight loss. 4. Detoxifies the body. Studies show that all varieties of cumin seeds, cumin, black cumin, and bitter cumin, are excellent sources of antioxidants and can scavenge harmful free oxygen radicals. Thymoquinone, the chief bioactive ingredient in black cumin seeds, shows hepatoprotective effects. It helps in cleansing the body of harmful toxins. 5. Anti-inflammatory. The active ingredients in cumin seeds have anti-inflammatory properties. A constant state of inflammation can lead to inflammation-induced obesity, and drinking jeera water or cumin water can help prevent that. 6. Lowers LDL cholesterol levels. Cumin can help improve HDL cholesterol levels and lower LDL cholesterol levels. Scientists from Iran studied the effect of cumin powder on obese women and determined their body composition and lipid profile. The study showed reduced levels of LDL cholesterol and triglycerides and higher HDL good cholesterol levels with lower body fat percentage. 7. Improves insulin sensitivity. Cumin helps to sensitize insulin and make it available to cells. Insulin resistance (IR), inability of the cells to utilize insulin, decreases glucose uptake by cells. The more the number of fat cells, the higher the risk of IR and type 2 diabetes. How to use cumin for weight loss. It is best to make jeera water in a glass, stainless steel, or copper bowl. Cover it with a lid to prevent contamination. To prepare jeera water, you need 2 teaspoons jeera, 1 cup of water. How to prepare: soak 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds in a cup of water overnight. In the morning, either drink this water directly or boil it for about 10 minutes, let it cool down to room temperature, and drink it. When to drink jeera water for weight loss. You must drink jeera water 3 times a day for effective weight loss. First cup, in the morning, on an empty stomach, second cup 20 minutes before lunch, third cup 20 minutes after dinner. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.